Okay, so we are going to divide these two expressions. Step number one, we are going to take the second fraction and we're going to flip it. So the numerator is going to become the denominator is going to become the numerator. So that is step number one. So first fraction stays exactly the same. Second fraction, we flip it. And by flipping it, the operation is going to become multiplication. Next, we're back to what we did the other day. We are going to factor our expressions completely. So let's see, for first fraction, 7x is good. I'm going to pull out a 2 out of both of the terms in the denominator. And then for the second fraction, let's see what we get. Looks like we're going to get x minus 6, x minus 5. And then for the bottom, we can pull out an x. From here, we should determine our domain. Okay? So I'm gonna kind of stop the multiplication part right here. I'm just gonna quickly make a quick domain. So again, I want to remind you, domain is all real numbers. And x is not equal to the following numbers. So remember, x can't be equal to any number that would make the denominator equal to 0. So x can't be equal to 5, because that would make this expression 0. X can't be equal to 0, because that would make that expression equal to 0. X can't be equal to 6, because that would make this expression equal to 0. So our values that x can't be are 5, 0, and 6. Now that we've done our domain, we can finish up this problem. So we're going to cancel out any common factors from top and bottom. So let's see what we got here. We have an x here, an x here. We have an x minus 6 here. We have an x minus 6 here. We have an x minus 5 here. We have an x minus 5 here. Looks like we're just going to cancel out everything. So in the numerator, it looks like we are left with just that 7. In the denominator, we are left with just the 2.